Welcome back. So, coming Thursday, that is 30th November 2023, we are conducting a Zoom session at 9 pm. So, with whom you are conducting, what discussion is to be done in that Zoom at ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. So, specially, okay, this Zoom session is devoted for the women candidates. That is women government job aspirants. So, we have lot of girls like who have registered for our courses and who got married recently, who are having kids and all. Okay, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೈತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 1 kid, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 2 kids, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ me in my home, or I have my in-laws who will take care of my kids, so I don't have, so ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ AE or JE or AWL. That is, you are having lot of dreams. So dreaming is not a bad thing. Obviously we have to dream, then only we will try achieving that dream. So now personal life, family assignments dintra, if we just keep postponing our dreams ala, we will never achieve our dreams. And after 10 years or 5 years, when you turn back, that is when your kids will grow and also you will feel bad that time. Illa ನಾನು ಅವಾಗನ ಹೆಂಗಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಿ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡೂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದೋದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ರಿಪೆಂಟಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು. ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿ ವುಮನ್, like after getting married or after having kids and all, you will not be having much time to devote for your career and all. So in that Zoom session we will be discussing what problems you are facing on day-to basis, and we will try giving the solutions for that. So I will be there in that session, and along with that our girl candidates will also be there who have been selected as AE in this RWS exam, along with managing all the personal life and all, and even they have been selected as AE in PWD also. So ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ we shall discuss and we shall try coming up with the proper practical solutions, and if we try implementing, definitely you will try reaching your goal or reaching your dream. So I want you to share this particular video to all your friends, okay, and all your sisters and all, and even boys can also join this session. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ obviously husband support ಬೇಕು, father support ಬೇಕು, brother support ಬೇಕು, and if you want to see your wife, your sister as AE in upcoming exams, so don't miss this day. This is the reason like why I am conducting the session at 9 pm, because you will be free, and even if you have kids and all, so you can ask your husband or someone who is at home to take care of that and attend this session. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆತ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಂದ್ರೆ, ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಶಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ವಿತ್ ಹರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೈಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 9:30 something. So that time her son was standing next to her, and even he was there in that session and all. So this is a problem which most of the women face. So that's why I'm saying attend this session, share all your personal problems. Definitely we will be discussing about that and try finding the best solution. So don't miss this day, that is November 30th 2023, night 9 pm, and the link will be shared in SANPoint official Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined yet, do join that, so that you will be able to join the session through that link. So see you on this Thursday.